Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 1, Food and Health. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you the topic deficiency diseases. So let us know now about what do you mean by deficiency disease. Before I start to explain you about the deficiency disease, let us understand about it. A disease occur in the body due to lack of nutrients known as deficiency disease. Let us see the definition of deficiency disease. A disease caused due to lack of one or more nutrients in the body is known as a deficiency disease. So dear student, see the definition. A disease caused due to lack of one or more nutrient in the body is known as a deficiency disease. Let us know type of the disease which occur in human body due to lack of nutrient. First, night blindness. Night blindness, a type of the disease, person unable to see in dim light. And the particular disease occur in a human body due to lack of vitamin A. Due to lack of vitamin A, person suffer with night blindness disease, and due to which person unable to see in dim light. Second, beriberi. It occurs in the body due to lack of vitamin B, and due to lack of vitamin B, person soon get tired after doing a simple physical work. Third, scurvy, caused due to lack of vitamin C, and due to the lack of vitamin C, gum used to swell up, teeth start to set, bleeding of the gum occur due to the lack of the vitamin C, and the disease known as scurvy. Fourth, rickets caused due to lack of vitamin D, dear student, and due to the lack of vitamin D in body, bone becomes soft and weak. Also due to the softness it twists and turn, and there is a deformation of legs and hand due to the lack of vitamin D. Dear student, you should also know that vitamin D is being formed in human body due to the sunlight. So, early morning you must be in sunlight so that vitamin D can be formed in human body or your body, and bones can become strong. So, vitamin D can be formed by our natural sources, that is the sunlight. Next deficiency disease is anemia, which is being caused due to lack of iron. Lack of iron, dear student. We get iron from the different type of the leaves like the spinach and different type of fruits and vegetables. So, when there is a lack of iron in the human body, persons suffer with the disease known as anemia, dear student. Next is 6. Goiter. You may have heard about it. It occurs due to the lack of iodine. Lack of iodine, dear student. You may have heard about the disease goiter. It occurs in the human body due to lack of iodine. In this particular disease, near to the neck, it used to swell up. Disease known as goiter. Next is bone and tooth decay. Tooth decay. It occurs in the human body due to the lack of the mineral known as calcium. Next deficiency disease known as Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor, the disease basically it used to occur in small kids 0 to 5 years. Kwashiorkor occur, and it occurs in the human body due to lack of protein. Next is marasmus. It occurs due to protein and carbohydrate. So dear student, marasmus, a type of the disease, occur also in the small kids age 0 to 5 years, and due to the lack of protein and carbohydrate. Kwashiorkor and marasmus both used to occur in the small kid only, whose age 0 to 5 years, and basically suffer from the protein and carbohydrate lack in the body. So dear student, now you see a different type of the deficiency disease which occur in the human body due to the lack of nutrients. So please, you read the topic and learn about the type of the deficiency disease and how it used to occur due to lack of which nutrient. Okay dear student, thank you to you all.